Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an Azure subscription, a resource group, and contributor permissions. Once confirmed, enable the Azure Latch resource and create a service principal, or enable a managed identity so you have credentials. Next, pick the exact header name and value format you need, for example authorization, bearer token, because you will inject it programmatically. Make sure to store secrets in Key Vault. This prevents exposing header values in code and keeps your pipeline secure. Now you configure header injection. Attach Azure Latch to the target resource or application policy so it can mediate traffic. Then implement a small, secure function or middleware that reads the secret from Key Vault and writes the header into requests at the exact hook point. Test header encoding and size limits early. Some services truncate or reject long values. Once done, run a dry pass with a non-production endpoint to confirm the header is applied consistently and no downstream service. Finish by deploying the change to staging and monitoring logs to verify the header is present on each request. Use correlation ID for tracing. Rotate keys and test swapping values to ensure no downtime, and enable alerts on failure rates. If something goes wrong, first verify the latch identity has Key Vault and resource permissions. Next, check that the header is not being stripped or sanitized by proxies. Finally, validate encoding and length constraints. Make fixes, then promote to production once green.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.